Take a moment to check out the 2022 Dodge Challenger. The Challenger delivers menacing power, controlled handling, advanced cockpit technology, fine craftsmanship, interior comfort, and engineering that prioritizes safety and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, dual zone AC. Take your lust for power to the next level. Drive the Challenger.